Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix lagging issues on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you all know that iOS 18 is officially released by Apple, but many of you are complaining that after updating to it you are facing an issue of lagging, that your iPhones are lagging too much and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix lagging issue on iPhones after iOS 18 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary or performance issues. You have to open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply close your unnecessary app. Having too many apps running in the background can slow down your iPhone. Close apps that you are not using. Simply swipe up like this and then close them. After this, then you have to do is simply clear your Safari cache. You have to open the settings, then go to Safari, scroll down until you go to apps and scroll down until you see Safari. Tap on it, scroll down, and you can see your option clear history and data and website data. Tap on it. You have to make sure that allow history and close all tabs is enabled. Tap on clear history and done. After this, then you have to do is simply manage your storage. Running low on storage can also impact performance. Check your iPhone storage and free up unnecessary apps. So guys, after this, then you have to do is simply enable the reduce motion and transparency effect. To do this, you have to simply go to the accessibility. Now tap on motion and first of all enable the reduce motion option. After this, then you have to do is simply go to the display and text size and you have to make sure that reduce transparency is enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. Resetting all settings will revert your iPhone settings to their default state without affecting your iPhone data. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone lagging issue after iOS 18 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.